If ChatGPT is not available in your country, make sure to watch this video till the end, as I'm gonna explain how to verify your email and get a phone number that can be used for verifying your account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use AI tools to make money online. The first step, install any free VPN extension. Close any window that pops up, then go to Extensions. Find the VPN extension, then click on Details. Then turn on the option Allow in Incognito mode. Open a new incognito window and activate the VPN extension. Choose USA or any other country where ChatGPT is allowed. Let's make sure that the IP is working using DNS leak test. It should show USA IP address like this one. Now go to chat.openai.com and sign up. Write your email address and follow the steps. Then write your password and click Continue. Verify your email address in the incognito mode. Don't verify it on your phone or in the normal browser, as it can pick up your real location. So sign into your email, find the email from OpenAI, then click Verify Email Address. Write your first and last names and click Continue. Then comes the hardest part. In this step you'll need to verify a phone number. And it's obvious that you wouldn't be able to verify your own number. So we'll use a mobile app. You'll find the APK of the app in the description. First download the APK on your phone. When you try to install it, you may find a message that tells you to allow installation of APK from File Manager or unknown sources. After installing the app, you'll find that it's not in English, so follow my steps. Click on the bottom right button to register. Then write your email address and write the password twice. The password must have upper and lowercase letters and numbers and symbols. Then click on the blue button to continue. You'll need to verify your email address. So open your email and look for the email from the app. If you couldn't find it, check the spam folder. Then click the link or the blue button. Now it's verified, go back to the app and log in from the upper left blue button. Write your email and password and hit the blue button. It will ask for permissions, so click OK and give it all the permissions it needs. Now go back to the app and click the plus sign in the bottom right. Write your name or whatever you want, then click on the button at the upper right corner. Choose the first option, then choose the first option again. Then click on the button at the upper right corner again to save. Solve the CAPTCHA, then click on the button one more time. Now you have the number that you can use for verification. Go back to the website, choose Poland, then write the number from your app. You'll find a message on your app with the verification number, use it and it's done. By the way, you can use this number to verify more than one ChatGPT accounts. Now you have an account on ChatGPT that you can use even without a VPN. Let's turn off the VPN and try signing into our ChatGPT account. Tell us in the comments if this video helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to use ChatGPT to make money online, and also how to make YouTube videos using the power of AI. You'll be surprised by the magic that can be done using AI. See you in the upcoming videos.